Welcome to Happy Kids Rhymes and Stories. Let's sing, learn, laugh, and enjoy amazing stories together. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's learn color names. Let's learn color names. Look who's coming. It's Humpty on the Rainbow Express. Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple, pink, brown. Pink, brown. Black, white. Low black, white. Gray. Silver. Light blue. Did you enjoy learning colors? Please like and subscribe.